Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to get Google Classroom on your laptop. Actually, there is no such as Google Classroom software on your laptop. So if you are finding, for example, on the Microsoft Store, you want to find, for example, Google Google Classroom. So I will find it on apps, Google Classroom, search from the Microsoft Store. It shouldn't be there. Okay, it takes some while, but it's really easy. You just open your browser and then click that classroom.google.com. Or if you can go to your Google Drive, for example, this is my Google Drive. Then here you can see this is the Google Apps icon, which is like an box like this, and then you can click that one, and then you can scroll down until you can find the Google Classroom. Where is it? Wait for a minute. There, this is the Google Classroom. Okay, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.